Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. This video is part 1 of our reversible boho sling bag video. You can also use this video as a guide if you ever need to upscale a pattern so you can print it. Here I'm opening the pattern. I have to convert this to PDF because I'm going to be using Adobe Acrobat to upscale my pattern. So this is Adobe Acrobat. If you don't have this program, you can definitely use other ones to upscale your patterns. Before I scale the pattern, I'm going to be cropping out anything that is not needed on the PDF because once you have upscaled it, it's going to be a huge pattern and it will take about more than 20 pages. So right here you see I'm trying to crop out anything that I don't need, and even after this I had to use 15 pages. If you cannot print 15 pages, you can definitely try to sketch out the pattern on a big piece of paper, or you can also buy patterns on any craft store. Now this is my crop pattern. Now we can click print. We just want to print the first page. Then we hit the second option called poster under page sizing, and then we have to upscale to 400%. And look here, it says that I have to print 16 pages. I know that it's a lot of pages to print, but please don't let that stop you from making this bag. After you have printed everything, you can cut everything and then put the pattern pieces with tape. After you have done that, you can click the I button up there and it will take you to the second part of the video where I will show you how you can make the reversible boho sling bag. Thank you everybody for watching.